Hey everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to solve a Rubik's Cube for beginners. If you've never solved a Rubik's Cube before, don't worry, we'll start from scratch and guide you through every step of the process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve a Rubik's Cube like a pro. Note: to make it easier to follow along with the instructions in this video, it may be helpful to have a Rubik's Cube in front of you while you watch. Step 1. Understand the basics. The first step in solving a Rubik's Cube is to understand the basics. The Rubik's Cube has 6 faces, each made up of 9 smaller squares. The colors on each face can be mixed up by twisting the cube in different directions. To solve the Rubik's Cube, you'll need to be able to move the different faces in specific ways. Step 2. Solve the first layer. The next step is to solve the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. This involves putting all of the squares on the bottom layer into the correct position. We'll start by solving the white cross on the bottom layer, then moving on to solve the corners. Step 3. Solve the second layer. Once you've solved the first layer, it's time to move on to the second layer. This involves solving the middle layer of the cube. We'll start by positioning the middle layer squares in the right place, then matching them with the corresponding colors on the top layer. Step 4. Solve the top layer. The final step is to solve the top layer of the Rubik's Cube. This involves solving the last layer of the cube, which is the most challenging part. We'll start by positioning the edge pieces in the right place, then matching the corner pieces to their corresponding positions. Step 5. Finishing up. Once you've solved the Rubik's Cube, you'll want to make sure that all of the squares are in the right place. If you have any squares that are out of place, you can use specific algorithms to fix them. Congratulations! You've now learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube for beginners. While it may seem intimidating at first, with practice and patience, anyone can solve a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.